Welcome to this lesson on the biosphere. The biosphere represents the global sum of all ecosystems on our planet. It is the zone where life exists and thrives. Today, we will explore what makes the biosphere so essential for all living organisms on Earth. The biosphere is the zone of life on Earth. It encompasses all living organisms and their interactions with three major spheres: the atmosphere, which is the layer of gases surrounding our planet; the hydrosphere, which includes all water bodies; and the lithosphere, which is the solid outer crust of Earth. The biosphere is essentially where life meets the non-living components of our planet. The biosphere interacts with three fundamental layers of Earth. First, the atmosphere provides the air and gases that organisms need to survive. Second, the hydrosphere contains all water bodies including oceans, rivers, and lakes that support aquatic life. Third, the lithosphere consists of Earth's solid outer crust and soil, providing habitat for land-based organisms. These three layers work together to create the conditions necessary for life. The biosphere extends vertically from the deepest parts of the ocean to high up in the atmosphere. The upper limit reaches approximately 10 kilometers above sea level in the atmosphere, where certain birds and microorganisms can survive. The lower limit extends about 8 kilometers below sea level in the deepest ocean trenches, where specialized organisms have adapted to extreme pressure and darkness. This gives us a total vertical range of roughly 18 kilometers where life exists. The biosphere consists of two main components. Biotic components include all living organisms such as plants, animals, and microorganisms. These are the organisms that grow, reproduce, and interact with each other. Abiotic components are the non-living factors that support life, including water, air, soil, temperature, and sunlight. Both biotic and abiotic components must work together to sustain life in the biosphere. The biosphere is divided into major biomes, which are large regions characterized by specific climate conditions and types of organisms. These include forests with dense tree cover, grasslands dominated by grasses, deserts with minimal rainfall, and tundra regions with frozen ground. We also have aquatic biomes in water bodies, wetlands with waterlogged soil, mountain regions with varying altitudes, and rainforests with high biodiversity and rainfall. Each biome supports unique communities of organisms adapted to its specific conditions. Energy flows through the biosphere in a one-way direction. It begins with the sun, which provides light energy. Producers, primarily plants, capture this solar energy through photosynthesis and convert it into chemical energy. Consumers, such as animals, obtain energy by eating producers or other consumers. Finally, decomposers like fungi and bacteria break down dead organisms, returning nutrients to the soil. At each level, some energy is lost as heat, which is why energy cannot be recycled and must continuously come from the sun. The biosphere operates through biogeochemical cycles, which are pathways that recycle essential elements. The water cycle involves the circulation of water through evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. The carbon cycle describes the movement of carbon through the atmosphere, living organisms, and Earth's surface. The nitrogen cycle involves the transformation of nitrogen between different chemical forms that organisms can use. The oxygen cycle represents the exchange of oxygen between living organisms and the atmosphere through processes like photosynthesis and respiration. These cycles are crucial for maintaining life. The biosphere is vital for life on Earth for several reasons. First, it produces oxygen through photosynthesis in plants, which is essential for most living organisms to breathe. Second, it regulates climate by maintaining Earth's temperature and weather patterns. Third, it provides food resources for all living organisms through complex food webs. Fourth, it enables nutrient cycling, ensuring that essential elements are continuously recycled and made available for organisms to use. Without a functioning biosphere, life as we know it would not be possible. Unfortunately, the biosphere faces several serious threats from human activities. Pollution contaminates air, water, and soil, harming organisms and disrupting ecosystems. Deforestation involves the large-scale removal of forests, which affects biodiversity and disrupts habitats. Climate change, driven by global warming, is altering ecosystems worldwide and threatening many species. Species extinction results from habitat destruction and other human impacts, leading to a loss of biodiversity. Protecting the biosphere is essential for the survival of all life on Earth, including humans.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.